Ever felt the weight of your to-do list getting heavier and heavier? Like no matter what you do, you just can't seem to catch up? If this is the case, know that you are not alone. Today, we're tackling procrastination and how we can boost our productivity by utilizing the power of creative thinking. Let's tackle this together. The first thing we need to talk about are goals. You know that feeling when you have a million things swirling around in your head and you just can't seem to focus on any single one? Yeah, that's where goals come in. Setting clear, specific goals is like having a roadmap for your productivity. When you know exactly what you want to achieve, it's easier to stay focused and motivated. It's kind of like if you decided to drive across the country without any directions. You might eventually get there, but it's going to take a lot longer, and you're going to get lost a lot. So how do we set those clear goals? It's all about breaking them down into smaller, more manageable steps. Instead of saying, I want to write a book, you might say, I want to write 500 words every day. See the difference? Smaller, actionable steps. All right, so we've got our goals set. But sometimes even those smaller steps can feel overwhelming, right? This is where the magic of breaking things down really comes into play. Imagine you have a giant pizza in front of you, because who doesn't love pizza? You wouldn't try to shove the whole thing in your mouth at once, would you? Okay, maybe some of us would, but it wouldn't be pretty. Instead, we cut it into manageable slices. That's exactly what we need to do with our tasks. Break them down into smaller, bite-sized pieces that feel less daunting. This makes the task at hand feel less like climbing a mountain and more like a leisurely walk in the park. Now let's talk about a productivity technique that has been a game changer for many, the Pomodoro technique. It's all about working in focus bursts with short breaks in between, kind of like a workout for your brain. Here's how it works. You set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a task without distractions. Once the timer goes off, you take a 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, you get a longer break of 15 to 20 minutes. This cycle of focused work and short breaks can work wonders for your concentration and productivity. Plus, there's something about that ticking timer that just lights a fire to get things done. It's like a friendly, or maybe not so friendly, reminder to stay on track. Our environment plays a huge role in how we feel and how productive we are. Think about it. Have you ever tried to work in a cluttered, disorganized space? It's like trying to find a lost contact lens in a swimming pool. Not fun. Creating a designated workspace that sparks your creativity can make all the difference. It doesn't have to be fancy, just find a spot in your home or office where you can personalize and make your own. Add some plants, put up inspiring quotes, or surround yourself with things you love. When you enjoy being in your workspace, it's amazing how much more motivated you'll feel. Finally, let's talk about the importance of incorporating creative hobbies into our lives. When we engage in activities we enjoy, it's like hitting the reset button on our brains. Whether it's painting, writing, playing an instrument, or even just doodling in a notebook, creative hobbies can help us recharge, de-stress, and come back to our work with fresh eyes and a renewed sense of energy. Remember, productivity isn't just about checking things off a list. It's about finding a sustainable rhythm that works for you. So, make time for the things that light you up, and watch how your creativity spills over into other areas of your life. Remember, beating procrastination is a journey, not a destination, and every small step counts. So, go out there, embrace your creativity, and start conquering those to-do lists. You've got this. And remember, the most important thing is to be kind to yourself, celebrate your victories, and never be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, stay creative, stay productive, and keep on creating the life you love.